Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and today we are reviewing M&M's Red Velvet, and we have guest reviewers Robin and Green Lantern.
Hi, I'm Robin.
Hi Robin, I'm glad you could be here and join us.
Hi, I'm Green Lantern. Do you like my ring?
Yes, we like your ring, Green Lantern. Thanks for bringing us these M&M's. I've never seen Red Velvet M&M's before. Let's take a look at the package. M&M's, milk chocolate, red velvet. There's hearts on the side of the package. There's the green M&M lady, and she's holding a plate of red velvet cupcakes. And she looks like she has a heart she's holding. On the back side is a recipe for M&M's brand Heart Desire cookies. So a whole recipe. And there's some nutrition information. Nutrition facts. And then the ingredients. We've got our scissors. And we're going to cut these open. Pour them on the plate. Here's a bright red color. Here's a very dark red color. And then here's a white M&M. So it looks like they come in 3 colors. We're going to cut one open. See if we can do this safely. That's what it looks like inside. It looks like chocolate inside, and then the candy shell on the outside. I'm going to taste it. They do remind me of a red velvet cupcake. The flavor is very subtle. I'm not sure I would be able to notice it unless somebody told me that they were red velvet cupcakes, M&M's, because I know they are. I can pick up on that taste. I'm going to cut open a bright red M&M and see if it looks the same. Here's the bright red M&M. Inside it looks the same. There's chocolate in the middle and it tastes the same. I'm going to try the dark red M&M. I'm going to bite this one. It's chocolate in the middle like the other ones. Robin, what do you think about these red velvet M&Ms?
I think they're great. I love the colors. They're perfect for Valentine's. I love them. I love the colors. I think they're perfect for Valentine's. I'm going to buy some and give them to Batgirl.
Oh, good idea. Green Lantern, what do you think?
I like these M&Ms too. I just wish they were green.
Well, I'm not sure red velvet M&Ms would go over very well if they were green.
You have a point, but I love everything green.
Well, thanks for helping, guys. Thanks for sharing your opinions. My review for these red velvet M&Ms, I love the colors. I think they're fun. The M&Ms taste good. The flavor isn't real distinct, but I do taste a subtle red velvet flavor. I think these are fun for Valentine's. I like them for Christmas also, and I like them for every day too. I don't think it has to be Valentine's to buy these. I think this is a fun gift and a fun candy for anyone who loves red velvet cake or red velvet cupcakes. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun. We love reviewing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again soon.